animals. Hello, my name is Starfish. Let me introduce you to my friends. Let's go. Starfish. This is my friend Turtle. Turtle. This is Jellyfish. Jellyfish. And this is Squid, and Squid has 10 legs. Squid. This is Octopus. Octopus has 8 legs. Octopus. This is my friend Shrimp. Shrimp. A seahorse swims in upright position. Seahorse. A clam has hard shelf. Clam. The wings of manta ray are really huge. Manta ray. A crab is walking sideways. Crab. A seal is enjoying the sunshine. Seal. This is dolphin, and dolphins are very smart. Dolphin. Whales are the largest animals on Earth. Whale. A shark has sharp teeth. Shark! Did you have fun meeting my friends? Bye-bye!